Poffy hops into frame with a paintbrush. Hey creators, what if you could turn your imagination into art in seconds? I'm Poffy, your round white tech buddy with rosy cheeks, here to show you Leonardo AI. How to? Type what you imagine, like cyberpunk cat astronaut, and watch Leonardo AI generate a vivid image instantly. You'll see bold colors, crisp details, and playful textures appear. Next, make assets for games, character designs, thumbnails, or realistic portraits. Use Leonardo's presets or tweak prompts to match your vision. It's perfect for YouTubers, designers, and digital artists who need fast, polished visuals. Customize style, refine details, and upscale quality without drawing skills. Adjust lighting, mood, and composition until it feels right. Export high-resolution files ready for projects. I'll share quick tips for prompt tweaks and presets to speed work. If you want amazing AI art in minutes, try Leonardo AI today. Follow Poffy for more app discoveries. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech magic.